Let's discuss warewashing equipment. Using proper cleaning and sanitizing systems to maintain equipment and utensils is an important factor in preventing contamination and foodborne illness in establishments. The Food Code provides different warewashing options that will achieve acceptable cleaning and sanitation standards for equipment and utensils to keep food safe. Establishments may use a 3-compartment sink for manually washing, rinsing, and sanitizing equipment and utensils. The size of the compartments must be large enough to fully immerse the largest of the equipment and utensils. There are 5 steps for manual warewashing. Step 1. Scrape and pre-rinse. Promptly scrape off food debris and pre-rinse with warm water to prevent food debris from drying onto equipment and utensils. Step 2. Wash. Use warm water, detergent, and a brush to scrub equipment and utensils. Change the water regularly, and especially when it accumulates large food particles, becomes cool and/or cloudy. Step 3. Rinse. Immerse equipment and utensils in warm, clean water to rinse off washing detergent. Again, change rinse water frequently to ensure it remains clean. Step 4. Sanitize equipment or utensils in hot water, at least 171 degrees Fahrenheit, using a wire basket with a long handle or chemical sanitizer. Step 5. Drain and air dry. Allow equipment and utensils to drain and air dry on a clean surface. Invert glasses and cups and do not use towels to dry off to prevent contamination. Alternatively, establishments may use a warewashing machine for cleaning and sanitizing if the equipment standards for sanitary materials, design, and construction are met. Equipment and utensils should be free from food particles before washing in sinks or machines to ensure effective cleaning. When loading the items onto racks or trays, all items should be placed so that they are exposed to unobstructed spray from all the machine cycles and will drain properly. Warewashing machines should be operated according to the machine's data plate and the manufacturer's instructions and specifications to maintain accurate timing for automatic cycles. This will ensure that the water reaches the required specified temperature for the prescribed amount of time with the appropriate amount of hot water pressure to effectively wash and sanitize equipment and utensils. Establishments must have drain boards, utensil racks, or tables to accommodate all soiled items before cleaning and all cleaned items after sanitizing. The racks should be designed for the establishment's capacity of utensil and equipment needs so there is enough room to facilitate draining and air drying after sanitizing.